Hi everyone, welcome back to Sky HQ. I'm Matt, Head of Product. I'm here this time to talk to you about some new improvements that we've made to Sky Glass. They'll make it even easier and faster to get to the things that you want to watch. So what are the improvements? Let's take a look. Everything on Glass starts on Home. Let's head down to Playlist and check it out. The first tile on the rail takes you to your playlist page. This is the place to go for anything that you've added to your playlist. In here, you'll see familiar categories, so you can quickly find just what you need. We've also added a new way to view everything in a category. Just select View All, and you can see everything that you've added to that category on its own page. Now let's go back to Home and check out the next improvement. Just scroll to the right of Playlist and you'll see Play Now. This is where you go to just jump straight back into something you've already started or to start something new that you've added to your playlist. So how does Play Now work? Well, if you look along the rail, you can see all the things that I've already started watching. The progress bars show you how far along you are. So all you need to do is just press Select and you'll jump straight back in. But that's not all that Play Now does. Let's look at adding something new to my playlist that I haven't watched before. I'm going to use The Outlaws as an example. To add to my playlist, all I do is press the Playlist Plus button. I see a notification to tell me it's been added, and I see a tick. When I go down to Playlist Now, it's there, right at the front of my Play Now rail. A Sky Glass recognises that I haven't started watching it yet, so it's showing me Series 1, Episode 1. Alternatively, if we see something and we just want to add that specific episode, Play Now picks this up too. Here we are in the TV guide, and I just want to add this episode of Friends. Sky Glass shows us that it's Series 9, Episode 21. If I press the Playlist Plus button, and then I head to my Play Now, it's right here. Not just the show, but that specific episode. Of course, if you do want to watch the whole box set of Friends, just head into your playlist, head to TV shows, and select Friends. You'll see every series and every episode that's available. Another really useful thing that pops up in your Play Now is when a new episode of something that you've already playlisted becomes available. For example, in our house we're loving Succession. A new one airs every Monday night. As soon as it's available to watch, it's in our Play Now. It's ready for us to watch when we are. One last thing. If you've got more than one Sky Glass TV or Sky Stream Puck in your house, your Play Now and your playlist will be the same on all of them. So you can jump back into your favourite shows, whichever room you're in. So for more information about all the amazing features on Sky Glass, check out our YouTube page. See you next time.